So we're looking at gutter covers and window wraps.
Okay.
About it.
Not see anything on the shingles?
The hell no, man. Look. There's nothing on this shingle. Green chalk?
In my truck. Okay. Do what you gotta do it.
Did you ever look at this roof?
I came out here to do a retail job and filed a claim due to the gutter covers and stuff, so see what happens.
The gutter covers. You had to tell him that the gutter covers were damaged. There's no way these gutter covers are. There's no way he would have said anything about these gutter covers.
Right. Yeah, I was out here doing a retail estimate for this guy. And then he did
new ones?
Yeah, to sell him a new roof. He needs a new roof.
And so you told him that it's damaged?
There's hail damage.
Where?
Right on all the gutter covers.
What about the roof, though?
What about the roof?
The roof's not damaged.
In your opinion, that's
Where's
fine.
the hail at? Show me.
You show me, it's your job.
No. My job says there's no hail on this roof.
All right, that's your job.
You told him he does, so I need you to show me where it's at. I got till noon.
You don't know what I told him.
You just said you told him
That there's damage. Yeah, he does need a new roof.
Well, yeah, because it's old.
Yeah.
Not because it's damaged.
Absolutely.
So what made him file a claim?
Because there's hail dents all over this place, and insurance adjusters do pay for roofs.
What we do when it's damaged.
That's fine. That's what your job is to do. So there's hail dents to the vents, but right?
I wouldn't even call these dents. This is just the chalk barely picking something up just because it's chalk. Show me some hail, man. Show me some hail on the shingles. We gotta have the front and back.
Possible hail. Possible hail. Possible hail. Possible hail. That's fine.
We gotta have the front and back.
Not really.
Yeah?
Just need one slope.
Just need one shingle.
Just need one slope.
Shingle, my supplement department will take care of the rest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's one shingle that's actually damaged by hail? Come on, man.
I just showed you a handful of them.
That's not hail, though. That's blistering.
It's fine.
Wear and tear. Deterioration due to age. You telling me this is blister? This is hail?
Sure.
No, it's not.
Okay.
I'm gonna need you to get off there.